Hello everyone, this is me Anwar and this is my new video for you all, and this is very important video for those who want to apply to Chinese government scholarship. And this is the part 4 of our series. In this video I will also share some universities and their deadline. They already announced Chinese government scholarship, so let's start. But before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it now. And now let's go. In this video, in our list, the first university is Southwest University. Southwest University is top university of China. You can see it and by searching Google. Southwest University already announced Chinese government scholarship. The deadline of Southwest University Chinese government scholarship is April 2021. You can send your documents before April, okay, if you want to really study in Southwest University of China through Chinese government scholarship. Okay, and the agency number is 10635. 10635. You can see here the agency number is this one. Okay, this is the agency number. Okay, and the category you can see here, it's for master and PhD, but also a bachelor, but bachelor for type A, and for type B only postgraduate and doctoral programs. Okay, you can see all the requirements here. It's clearly mentioned that it's for only master and PhD category B. Okay, and you also need to pay application fee, but it's after the selection. Okay, you will need to pay the application fee, but it's after the selection. Okay, you can see this one, type B winner of the scholarship. Okay, they will need to pay application fee, so it's mean it's no worry. If you are selected, then you can pay 500 RMB. Okay, and also you don't need to send hard copies. You don't need to send hard copies. You just need to apply on CSC website and fill the application form. Okay, and the Southwest University organized committee will decide selected candidates, and after that they will announce the shortlisted candidates, and they will need to pay 500 yuan for Southwest University of China. So that's for Southwest University of China. Okay, in our list, the second university is Zhejiang University. Zhejiang University is one of the best university in China and also in the world. Okay, they already announced Chinese government scholarship for all countries, for all foreigners. Okay, so in Zhejiang University, the deadline is 10th March. Okay, you can see here in the description, it's 10th March. Okay, this one, and the agency number is this one, 10335. Okay, 10335, and category is, you can see the category is, it's for master and PhD. Okay, it's for master and PhD. Okay, and hard copies means yes, you need to send hard copies, and application fee is no application fee. And if you have a acceptance letter, then it's well and good. It will increase your chances more than 90%. Okay, and you need to fill CSE application form and make 2 copies of your documents and send it to Zhejiang University before the deadline on this address. Okay, this is the address, and this one is the one of the best university in China. Okay, and our list, the third university is Hunan University. Okay, Hunan University Chinese government scholarship is also already announced. So the deadline is April 2021. So before April, you can send all your documents to Hunan University. It's one of the best computer science, IT, and software engineering university in China. Okay, and for other subjects as well. Okay, so the agency number is 10532, 10532, and the category is, it's also for master and PhD only, and you also need to send hard copies. It means yes, you need to send hard copies. Application fee, I think no, I'm not sure, but if you are filling um, Hunan University online application form, then there will be, it's given. So maybe, I think no. So the application procedure is, you need to fill CAC online application form and download it. After that, you also need to fill Hunan University online application form. Okay, and make 2 copies of your documents and send it to Hunan University before April. Okay, if you really want to study in Hunan University. Okay, that's you can see these instruction. And our list, the fourth university is Qingdao University of Science and Technology. Qingdao University of Science and Technology is located in Qingdao city in China. It's also announced Chinese government scholarship, and you can see the deadline is here, 10th April. You can send all your documents before 10th April. Okay, and the agency number is 10426. This is the agency number 10426, and the category is also for master and PhD only. Okay, and you also need to send hard copies, and there is no application fee for Qingdao University of Science and Technology as well. Okay, so you just need to make 2 copies of your documents and send it to Qingdao University of Science and Technology before 10th April. Your document should need to reach before 10th April to the International Office of Qingdao University of Science and Technology. You can see all these instructions. Okay, and our list, the fifth university is Renmin University of China. Renmin University of China is one of the best university in China and all over the world. You can see the ranking of Renmin University of China, it's higher, and it's also announced Chinese government scholarship for all countries. Okay, so the deadline is 30 March. 30 March, it's mean March. You can send all your documents before 30 March, and the agency number is 10002. 10002. This is the agency number. Okay, and it's also for master and PhD degree holders. The hard copies is must. You need to send hard copies of 2 sheets of your documents. There is no application fee for Renmin University of China as well. So you just need to fill Chinese government scholarship online application form and make 2 copies of your documents and send it to Renmin University of China before the deadline. And this is the address of Renmin University of China. Okay, so all the links are given in the description. You can visit all these links if you want to see all these instructions. So this is enough for today. In our next video I will come with more universities, so stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.